Hey everyone, welcome back to GadgetVerse. Today we're checking out one of the coolest wearable devices of the year, the Ray-Ban Meta Gen 1 Smart AI Glasses, the Wayfarer Shiny Black Edition with clear lenses. These take the classic Ray-Ban design and combine it with Meta's intelligent features to create a smart wearable that feels natural, stylish, and incredibly fun to use. At first glance, they look just like traditional Ray-Ban Wayfarers, lightweight, premium, and iconic. But hidden inside is some seriously impressive tech. You get a 12MP ultra-wide camera built right into the frame, perfect for capturing hands-free photos and videos. Whether you're traveling, recording POV clips, or capturing spontaneous moments, you can do it instantly with your voice or a quick tap. The Ray-Ban Meta glasses also feature open-ear speakers, giving surprisingly clear audio without blocking your surroundings. This makes them ideal for walking, commuting, or listening to music while staying aware of what's happening around you. Calls are crisp, and the built-in microphones do a solid job even outdoors. With Meta AI integration, you can ask questions, send messages, start recordings, or control functions hands-free, making the glasses feel more like a natural extension of your daily life. Bluetooth connectivity keeps them paired smoothly with your phone, and the companion app makes organizing captured content easy. The build quality is classic Ray-Ban, shiny black finish, durable frame, comfortable fit, and clear lenses you can wear anywhere. Even with the tech inside, the glasses stay lightweight and stylish, not bulky or gadget-looking. Battery life is solid for daily use, and the charging case makes topping up effortless. Whether you're a creator, traveler, student, or someone who wants to experience the future of wearable tech, these glasses offer a seamless blend of fashion and function. If you want to pick one up, the Amazon link is down in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and support GadgetVerse for more daily tech reviews. Check it out and buy now using the link below.